this video, we will show you how to play Evony on PC. To play Evony on PC, it's very easy. In here, I'm using Windows 11. Of course, because Evony is Android-based games, you need to install the Android emulator, and I suggest you can using BlueStacks. You can just open bluestacks.com and then download the BlueStack and install. If you need the offline installer, you can see in the pinned comments. I provide you with the offline installer. After you install the BlueStacks, you can open the BlueStack. For example, in here, this is my BlueStacks. And to install the Evony game, just click this. Okay. The app player will open the Google Play Store. In here, we need to install the Evony, like installing the game on Android devices or smartphone. In here, I open Play Store and just type the Evony, and you will find the Evony, the Kings of Return. Just click install here. Maybe to install this game take a few minutes, so you need to be patient until the game successfully installed. After the game installed successfully, you can just click play button here and game will open. Why I recommend you to using BlueStack emulator? It's because BlueStack emulator have game control here. Okay, you can see there. You can using control editor to select what the perfect option for you in here. Okay. Also, you can also manage the memory, stream memory here. And in here, the Evony, you can just select alter. Okay. And you are done to play with this game. You can also make this full screen by clicking this button. Okay. You can press F11 to exit the full screen. This is very helpful if you don't like play the Evony games on Android smartphone. That's all tutorial how to play Evony on PC. Hope this video helpful for you.